Welcome to Neli's Nook. My name is Neli, and today I will do a review of my first book from the series that I prepared for you guys. So when you order your book, this is a physical book. I have a copy of it in my Etsy store as a digital copy. This one is a physical book. So I ordered for myself some of them because I know that I will be selling them on my craft shows. But I would like to know or show you how it will come when you order one from my shop. It's very nicely packed, absolutely beautifully packed. There's no damage to it. And I have two books. It's in the bag. So we will just undo one. I already ripped the back from the bottom. And this is the front. It has a soft cover. I can put also hardcover if anybody is looking for the hardcover. It will be a little bit more expensive because it's more expensive to print. But this is a soft cover. It's a perfect gift for somebody for Christmas, birthdays, who is interested in little extra craft. Here is the back of the book. It's a very cute green color, and here I have instructions, step-by-step instructions in the book that you can follow, and links for the videos, and also pattern list that I have over here, and then all the patterns from the pattern list. So you just mark them and fold them. It's a little bit more personal than the digital copy. If you have somebody, you know, you want to give a gift, something different, that's, I think, will be a wonderful gift. So I have all my links over here. So I hope, guys, you will like it. If you have any questions, let me know. Happy folding.